in Java, if we have a thing called myMethod, okay, and it takes in a parameter A, and it assigns 5 to A, that doesn't change anything in the outside world, okay? So if we had some value B outside, we call myMethod with the value B, it doesn't modify B in any way. It's actually passing the value of B. So it computes, okay, oh, it says, oh, there's a B there. What's the value of B? It says 2. Okay, so it's going to pass it the value 2. 2 becomes the value of A. And then A value changes from 2 to 5 now. And then after it's done, it returns here, where after this call to this method, but B has not been modified. It just passed the value here, the value got assigned to a variable A, and then it got overridden. We'll come back to this in a minute, but suffice it to say that you can assign to parameters, and it doesn't change the value. It doesn't lead to anything outside the method as changing. So here's perform birth. We're going to come back to this example. Let's consider establish offspring connection based on mother's connection. You'll recall that perform birth called this, right? Okay, so here's perform birth. So prior to the method call, we have mother equals this, offspring equals this thing, okay? This is in perform birth. We've got the mother. This is just another variable to name this. We're calling perform birth on the mother, and just to be clear about it, we want to say, okay, mother equals this. We could always refer to this instead of mother, but we want to emphasize this is the mother. You know, I am the mother here. So we want to give it a nice name. So we have a variable that has that also as a reference to whatever this refers to. Then we have the offspring, right? And now we're going to call establish offspring connection based on mother's connection, okay? And we're going to do that work, and then we're going to come back here, okay? After it's done, we're going to be back.